Air raid sirens, blackouts, civilians in bunkers. These will be the scenes on May 7th in India. Following directions from the center, a civil defense security drill will take place across 244 districts. Is this a routine security drill or a prep for escalation with Pakistan? Well, that is uncertain yet. However, the last such drill was conducted in the run-up to the 1971 war between India and Pakistan, in which the latter was defeated and the Bangladesh was created. So what will happen during mock drill on May 7th? Let's tell you. A civil defense mock drill is a preparedness exercise aimed at testing how civilians and government systems respond during emergencies like war, missile attacks, or aerial strikes. The drills recreate real-life scenarios like air raid sirens go off, lights are turned off across cities, civilians practice sheltering procedures, and emergency teams operate in real time. These drills aim to reduce panic, avoid confusion, and save lives by increasing awareness and readiness. This exercise falls under the Civil Defense Rules 1968 and was communicated by the MHA on May 2nd. Will you be part of this mock drill? Well, mostly no. The participants will include civil defense wardens, home guards, National Cadet Corps, National Service Scheme volunteers, Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan members, and students from schools and colleges. During the drill, you may experience temporary blackouts, suspension of mobile signals, or traffic diversions. Authorities may also conduct evacuation exercises or hold public announcements. In some areas, police and paramilitary forces may stimulate a war-like emergency. Well, here are some things that you need to remember during the mock drill or blackout. Stay calm and follow local instructions. Keep basic supplies like water, medicines, and flashlights ready. Avoid sharing rumors or unverified news on social media. Do not panic if power or internet goes down briefly. Listen to radio or government channels for official updates. So what's the need of a mock drill? The Home Ministry has few objectives in mind. Like civilians and students must be trained in civil defense to protect themselves in the event of hostile attack. To assess the effectiveness of air raid warning systems and aims to prepare people for a response to an aerial attack. It will also test the functionality of control rooms and shadow control rooms. As part of the drill, authorities may ask residents to switch off lights for a certain duration to mimic a blackout. The training will also include camouflaging of vital plants and installations. This means steps to cover or shield key premises such as airfields, refineries,